All right, everybody, welcome back. We got some, these look like giant ladders, but they're actually called cable trays, and that is what I am working on today. So here's my little workstation over here. So I'm just out here measuring these. So this one right here is 8'9". So from the end over here, put my tape measure on here, and then 8'9". Mark it out, and then put the X mark on the side that's going to get cut off, which signifies which side the blade is going to be on, so that the wrong side is not cut off, and then it loses the blade width of like 1/8 of an inch. So just out here marking right now. Earlier we identified all of the pieces, and already got some of those into an apple crate. So that took like the first 3 hours, and now we are working on cutting the rest of these, basically in order of straight pieces, in order of bent pieces, like 90s and stuff like that, or 45s or 30 degrees. And some of these, these are straight right here, but some of them are bent horizontally and some of them are bent vertically. So I'll maybe go show you those real quick. And then this is what the saw looks like that we are using to cut it. So it basically just load the ladders in here, or the cable trays, and then pull the saw down and cut it on your mark, and then clamp it in at these spots right here. As you can see, you got a clamp right there, and that one goes through the top. Then you got the smaller clamps right here, which go on the bottom right there. So I'll go show you the ladders over here, which look like this. So these are the verticals on the right. So these are the pieces that turn horizontally like this. So here's one of the apple crates that we got right here with all of the pieces already inside of it. And I think we do have a second one over here as well, the black one, and then the blue one right there. So not all of it exactly fit into the black one, so we got a second one, and then we got another cart for all the straight pieces that we're working on right now. All right, so like I was saying, we got one person cutting, and then I'm the one that's marking, and then we have another person that is filing down the edges. Once we get it off of the saw, everything is done and ready to go into, right before we put it into its place, either in an apple crate or a rolling cart with wheels. All right, ending off the video here back at home, I was going to mention there are a few other steps that we're not doing at the moment. Normally you would drill, once you cut the pieces, you would normally drill the holes to bolt it back together. There's usually a metal piece, a metal plate that you use to bolt the two pieces together to connect the cable trays where you are installing them out in the field. But at this time, we don't have anything to drill them. You can either drill it by hand or get like a punch set to do it. We don't have the punch set, it didn't come today, so might get that tomorrow. But anyways, right now we just decided to skip drilling the holes. And we also don't have any of the hardware, because normally you would, I think you would normally bolt one of the plates to it, so it would be ready to install to the next piece and ready to go and save more steps out in the field. So skipping a few of those steps right now, but anyways, that's going to wrap up today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. I enjoyed it, doing something new today. I've never personally installed any cable trays, but this is kind of a step in that direction of kind of prefabbing some of the steps up in the warehouse, and then getting to work with that a little bit and understanding how those all bolt together and how that all works. So that was fun, and we'll be doing that again tomorrow, and we'll see if we get the punch. If we do, I'll try to show you that. So anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it as always. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Love to see you guys back in the next video. Giveaway coming up soon once we hit 13,000 subscribers. Crazy to think that how far that we have come since the beginning, and each and every year and each and every day. So thank you so much for the support. Appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you soon tomorrow. Peace.